Take a bath in this holy pond of tears, and your sins will wash away. This is what the 1.2 billion worldwide Hindus believe about this pond inside Katas Raj. Keep in mind, the world's total population is 7.8 billion. Katas Raj is located in Chakwal district in Punjab province of Pakistan. It is 25 kilometers from the Kallar Kahar M2 interchange, but I'm going via an old road that was used before the British Raj for pedestrian Hindu pilgrims. So I have to cross this mountain to enter Potohar Plateau. It is a salt mountain range. Mostly Hindu pilgrims travel to Katas Raj from the east. Why donkeys block my way? There are many salt and coal mines. The Katas Raj complex was vacated by Hindus in 1947 when they migrated to India and no one stayed back, thus leaving the holy place isolated. I hope that you will join me to walk in Katas Raj Temples Complex. There are 2 entry gates, but no one is open. Hindus from different parts of the world visit this sacred place. These temples are attributed to the eras of the Hindu shahis dating from about 615 to 950 CE and are dedicated to Lord Shiva. This is Amrit Kund, holy water. The complex is traditionally believed to date back to the Mahabharata era. A Brahmanical story that said that the pond of the Katas Raj temples was formed by the tears that Lord Shiva shed after the death of his wife Sati. The name of temple complex is believed to derive from the Sanskrit word kataksha, meaning teary eyes. I shall walk from Shiv temple It is closed, but they open it when Hindu pilgrims come here. In Pakistan, mostly Hindus are living in Sindh province. A famous Chinese traveler, Hiuen Tsang, who visited the area around 630 AD. He is the same who had also mentioned Lahore. He wrote that the kingdom lasted over a period of 3,500 years, and on the west was Indus River. In the south, a huge 200 feet high stupa from the time of Ashoka, and there were also 10 interconnected clean water ponds with fish. Guru Nanak also visited this place. There is a natural water spring. I had been there 2 years ago. That time its pond was dry due to industrial activities in this area. Later, Pakistan Supreme Court took action against cement factory and spring is now reinstated. There is now good water. According to the Archaeological Survey of India, Director General Alan Cuningham said in 1872, Katas Raj is the second biggest holy place in Punjab for Hindu pioneers after Jawala Mukhi. I don't want too much talk, so kindly walk with me. This is Haveli of Hari Singh Nalwa. It was constructed in the 19th century. The Haveli was the residence of one of Ranjit Singh's finest generals. Ranjit Singh was a Sikh ruler. It is believed that the site was visited by the Pandava brothers of Mahabharata fame, and this complex of temples was constructed to commemorate their visit. The location of the Sath Ghara or 7 temples is said to be the place where the Pandavas made their home during their 12-year exile. Once upon a time, there were temple bells, but now Islam is the main religion in this region. If this place is completely restored, it can become the biggest tourist hub in Pakistan, and religious tourism can also contribute to the economy of the country. Thanks for watching complete video. Like, share and subscribe. Katas Raj.